Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect pomegranate mojito cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a Colin glass of about 14 ounces or 420 milliliters, and then pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of white rum. After the white rum, pour the same amount of simple syrup. Next, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of pomegranate syrup. After pouring the syrup, add 5 to 6 pieces of lemon squeeze. Next, add 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. The origin of this cocktail is still unclear, though it is believed that the birthplace of this cocktail is Havana, Cuba. Today I am making a beautiful variation of the classic mojito, and I hope you will like this refreshing recipe. Now gently muddle to extract flavor and juice from the solid. And also be careful about over-muddling, as this can taste the cocktail bitter. Perfect. Muddling is done, so fill up the glass with lots of crushed ice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Perfect. Now top up the glass with chilled soda. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cocktails and mixology tidbits. The refreshing pomegranate mojito cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a bunch of fresh mint, slices of lemon, and pomegranate. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Lovely. Cheers. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.